Every evening, it's the same thing. You go outside to relax for a bit, turn on the light, grab some tea or something cold to drink, and 5 minutes later, mosquitoes are already flying all around you. They get in your face, bite your legs, buzz around your ears, and it feels like there are more of them every single year. But here's the most interesting part. Most people spend their whole lives fighting the wrong part of the problem. They try to kill adult mosquitoes. Sprays, candles, traps, smoke, chemicals. But the real problem starts much earlier, in the water. And today I'm going to show you one of the most effective mosquito control systems that is safe for dogs, safe for birds, safe for bees, safe for butterflies, and actually works. And closer to the end, I'll show you an even more powerful professional level method that pest control companies use to reduce mosquitoes even more. So watch until the end, because most people make one mistake that actually causes even more mosquitoes around the house. Right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a regular plastic bucket. Yeah, seriously, not some expensive gadget from the internet, not some ultrasonic device, just a bucket. And right now, most people are already about to make a mistake. Don't use a white bucket. Use black, dark red, or orange, because color actually matters. Mosquitoes love dark, damp places, and now you're about to see why.
The key is to fill it
Fill
slowly,
the bucket about
letting
halfway
the
with
water
water,
aerate before
not
we move
all
to
the
the
way.
next step.
That right there is perfect. And now we're going to do something that's going to seem strange at first. We're intentionally going to make this bucket attractive to mosquitoes. Yep. We're literally creating a tiny swamp. Now grab some dry leaves, grass clippings, small twigs, or regular yard debris, and throw it into the water. But don't overdo it. We don't need a giant pile of sludge. We're just creating a place that looks perfect for laying eggs, because this bucket is about to turn into a trap. And this is where things start getting interesting. Most people try to simply repel mosquitoes, but the problem is, they always come back. So we're going to do this differently. We're going to make mosquitoes come here on their own and destroy them before they even start flying around your yard. And now, the secret ingredient. Mosquito bits. This is one of the most popular things many pest control companies use. And the best part, it's not harsh chemicals. It uses BTI bacteria. It specifically works against mosquito larvae, and because of that, it's safe for dogs, safe for birds, safe for fish, safe for bees and butterflies. But for mosquito larvae, that's it, game over. And now I'll show you just how simple this is. Take a regular spoon, yeah, literally a regular kitchen spoon, and add the mosquito bits directly into the bucket. That's it, seriously, mosquitoes will come here to lay eggs. But the larvae will die before they ever become adult mosquitoes. And here's what many people don't understand. Mosquitoes don't need a lot of water at all. They don't need a pond. They don't need a lake. They can reproduce in a tiny amount of water, 17_1, an old dog bowl, a forgotten bucket, a flower pot, an old toy in the yard, a clogged gutter. Sometimes even a bottle cap is enough. And that's exactly why people often don't understand where all these mosquitoes are coming from. But now I'm going to show you a mistake that causes many people to build these traps and get weak results. Don't place this bucket near where you sit. That's a huge mistake. Don't put it near the patio, near the pool, near the grill, near the seating area, because we don't want to bring mosquitoes to people. We want to pull them away from people. It's much better to place these traps near bushes, near a shed, in damp, shady areas, behind the house, near trees. Mosquitoes love shade and moisture. That's where they hide during the day. And now I'm going to show you another smart trick. If the bucket sits out in the rain, the water will slowly get diluted, and the effectiveness will get weaker. So now I'll show you a simple little hack that makes this system work much better. Take the bucket lid, a few wooden sticks, and make a small cover, just like that. Now, rain barely gets inside. Mosquitoes can still fly in. The trap lasts longer, and it looks much cleaner. And by the way, if you have a dog, This is especially important because old dog bowls very often become mosquito breeding spots, even if there's only a tiny amount of water inside, and people don't even think about it. Old bowls, buckets, wheelbarrows, pots, old tires, clogged gutters. All of these can literally produce mosquitoes every single day. And this is where the most important part of the entire system begins. It's called source reduction. Sounds complicated, but the idea is very simple. If there's no standing water, mosquitoes can't reproduce. Sometimes the best mosquito control method is not spray, but simply walking around your house and removing everything that collects water. But now let's move to the next level, because up to this point, we've only been destroying eggs and larvae. But what about adult mosquitoes? This is where most people start drenching their entire yard with harsh chemicals. And the problem is that along with mosquitoes, these products often harm bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects. So now I'm going to show you a much smarter method. It's better to use a ready-made concentrate or outdoor spray based on essential oils, not just mixing random stuff in the kitchen and hoping it works. Use a product specifically designed for outdoor mosquito control. These products often contain oils such as clove oil, cinnamon oil, thyme oil, sesame oil. For example, the professional product Baracor Essential contains sesame oil, cinnamon oil, clove oil, and thyme oil. And here's what's important. That does not mean you should just grab random essential oils from your house, pour them into a bottle, and spray them everywhere. It's much better to use a ready-made garden product and dilute it exactly according to the label directions, because concentration matters. If you make it too weak, the mosquitoes will just come back. If you make it too strong, you can damage plants or end up with an overpowering smell. So do it properly. And this is where most people make another mistake. They spray the product into the air. That's almost useless, because mosquitoes are not constantly flying around you during the day. They hide under leaves, under bushes, in damp, shady areas. That's where you need to treat. So the spray should be applied under bushes, under leaves, around doors, around the patio, near furniture, around outdoor seating areas. That's where mosquitoes spend the entire day until it gets cooler. And now I'm going to show you another upgrade. Professional level, because some sprays simply repel mosquitoes, but there are products that last much longer, and that's already pest control company level. These products use micro-encapsulated oils. That means the product stays on plant surfaces better and doesn't disappear after the first hot day. Especially if you have a lot of bushes, your yard is damp, there's woods nearby, or you have a severe mosquito problem. And here's what I love most about it. You're not nuking your whole yard with chemicals. You're not killing bees. You're not harming butterflies. But at the same time, you're destroying larvae, reducing reproduction, and making your yard way more comfortable. And this is where people really start noticing the difference. In the evening, when it used to be impossible to go outside, and now you can calmly sit by the pool, on the patio, near the grill, or just relax in the yard, without constant buzzing around your head. And here's the most interesting part. Most people spend their whole lives trying to fight flying mosquitoes. But the real battle starts much earlier, in the water. And once you understand that, everything changes, because now you're not just repelling mosquitoes, you're breaking their entire breeding cycle. That's why systems like this work so much better than regular sprays. If you want more real working solutions for your home and yard, subscribe. And let me know in the comments what the mosquito situation is like where you live right now. Because in some places, they're completely out of control.